Want to find someone's email, phone number, and key insights without leaving LinkedIn? Here's how to do it with evyAI using the Enrich feature. First, go to LinkedIn and open a profile. Then open the evyAI side panel. Click Network. Click New Profile. Find the LinkedIn profile you want to connect with, then copy their profile URL. Paste it into the connection URL field. Click Autofill. Then click Add to List. Choose the appropriate category and click Save. Now go to your saved profiles. Select the profile you want to learn more about. Click the Enrich button. evyAI will automatically pull in details like email address and phone number and add them directly to the profile. This works across all evyAI plans. If you're on a Pro plan, you'll unlock more data. You can get multiple emails, phone numbers, and additional links related to that person. You'll also see an Insights section. This includes a summary of who they are, their role, their target market, and how to connect with them. You'll also get suggested talking points and even a ready-to-use email draft. You can copy, edit, or regenerate any part of this, depending on what you need. If it can't find the contact information with the Enrich button, you can use the AI research feature. Go to the Awareness tab, click any of the available AI agents. evyAI Pro users should use Grok to do deep research on the person. Grok will run a live search through hundreds of websites and show you real-time information about that person and their activity. This helps you understand what they're doing, what they're talking about, and how to engage more effectively. Copy the information, then go to Notes. Click Add Note, paste the details, and click Save. Go back to Awareness tab and click Enrich based on profile notes. You can also do the same process inside the evyAI web app. Just open Save Profiles, click Enrich, and get the same results. With evyAI, you can enrich profiles, uncover key insights, and reach out with confidence, all in just a few clicks.